that saying goes?
You can't do everything at once.